Chapter 5 Network in Graph Theory 5.1 Network. So in this lesson you are going to learn what are the multiple edges and also loops, and how to find the degrees and so on for the graph involving the multiple edges and also the loops. So first, what are multiple edges of a graph? Okay, so these two are called multiple edges. Okay, why? Because they connect the same vertices. Okay, they connect the vertex A and also the vertex B are connect using two edge. Okay, and these two edge we call it multiple edges. And what are loops of a graph? The loop of a graph is something like this. It starts from the vertex A, right? And then it ended in also the vertex A. Okay, so a loop, this is called loop. So it's in the form of an arc. You see, it's like an arc, and that starts and ends at the same vertex. Okay, so this is called a loop. So how to determine the number of vertices, edges, and also the sum of degrees involving multiple edges and loops. So this is a graph, right? So we have multiple edges and also we have a loop. So how to list the vertices, how to list the edges, how to find the number of vertices, how to find the number of edges, and also how to find the total number of degrees. Okay, so let us start by listing the vertices first. Okay, vertices means this. We have A, B, C, D, and also E, right? We have 5 dots, means 5 vertices. So we list out A, and then you put a comma, B, C, D, and also E. So how many number of vertices? You count the elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. So you just write there 5. How about edges? How to list the edges? Okay. To do it systematically, I would do it from A, and then after that I would do B, and I would do C, D, and then I would do E. Okay, I start with A first. Okay, same thing, I will draw a curly bracket, and then I will list the first edge. The first edge is this. Okay, means it starts from A and also ended in A, right? So start from A, don't forget the bracket, and then ended in A. This is the first edge. Second edge, A go to B, right? Don't forget A go to B, we have 2. This is first one, this is second one. So I need to write 2 times. A go to B. This is first time. A go to B. This is the second one. And then not ended yet, we have also A go to E. This is another edge. A go to E. Okay, I settled everything for A, so I go to B. B still have one more, which is this one. B go to C. Okay, so I write B go to C. B is also settled. This one settled, settled, settled. So I go to C. Okay, this one C, D, and also C, E. I write C go to D, and also C go to E. Okay, so C settled, we go to D, D go to E, D go to E, and then last we go to E. E is also settled, so we don't need to do anything here, but don't forget to close the bracket. Okay, so from the list of the edges, you can know that this is the loop, right? Because same symbol, and then this same group, right? You can know this is a multiple edges. Okay, so how to list the number of edges? Okay, you need to count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8. You can check in the figure. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, that's correct. So for degrees, or for sum of degrees, okay, how you calculate? You can calculate using the formula, right? 2ne, which is 2 times 8, which is 16. Okay. So in conclusion, you need to know that simple graph has no edges or has no multiple edges or loops. Okay, it does not have multiple edges, or it cannot have loop like this. Okay, so if it has loop or multiple edges, it is not called simple graph. Okay, so for graph with multiple edge and loop, okay, so this is called a loop, and then this two is called a multiple edge. Okay, so that's the lesson for today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching. Do share this video with your friends if you find it helpful, and see you in the next class.